everyone, it's Tuesday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And today we are going to be reviewing the latest Viva Max original movie on the Tuesday release window. And this is Kalikot starring Sheila Snow, Van Allen Ong, and Ara Alonso. So, if you want to keep track on this channel, I want you all to sub. At tayo ay nasa 6,310 subscribers currently dito sa ating channel. Hit that bell icon for more of your bold review. At siguro palike na rin ang video para mapunta tayo sa For You ng ating YouTube. Tapos, yeah, currently I have uploaded some highlights ng last weekend sa Ed Sheeran concert. So, kwento ko lang naranasan ko sa Ed Sheeran concert. So, grabe, traffic tayo sa concert na yun. Binaba ko ng Grab dun sa may IKEA. So, nilakad ko siya. Ang layo pala no? Mula, NU MOA. Nilakad ko hanggang nabutan ko sa tapat pala ng Soler yung Akala ko kasi yung venue, yung SMDC Festival Grounds. Yun yung dati nagpamamahayag si kapatid na Eduardo Manalo. So, iba pala. Mas malayo pa pala yung SMDC Festival Grounds. Now I know na kailangan talaga agahan o kaya mag-check-in ako sa Soler na 14,000 kada gabi. Puisit. Okay. So, Edge concert, had fun. Maganda yung katabi ko. Need ko malaman ito hinahanap ko siya sa Facebook Kaso wala akong picture ng mukha niya. Naalala ko yung mukha pero syempre di ko pinicturean yung mukha. Di ko kilala. Pero mahanap ko. Mabait naman siya. Hinakausap ako. Ayun. So yeah, check out my Ed Sheeran shorts sa aking YouTube channel. Ayun, let's go to the bold review of Kalikot. So Kalikot is about a mechanic, Arnel, played by Van Allen Ong. I think this is his first mature role talaga. Diba? Kasi sa HOS, High on Segs, wala siyang scene na nagubad talaga siya And I don't recall any other movies na nagubad siya. So, this is the first time na talaga nag-all out siya. And he is the leading man here. He is Arnel. He is an engineering student. And, ayun. Tapos, ang kanyang customer ay itong si Sal. Or si Salve Uson. Professor Salve Uson. So, siya ay customer. Nasiraan siya ng kotse at pumunta siya sa BJ Automobile Services para magpakalikot ng kotse. So, kaya ito yung kalikot. So, syempre, si Sheila Snow yan. She has the yacht. Kaya napansin ni Arnel yung yacht and he wants more. Fortunately, meron siyang babae sa buhay niya, si Jenna, played by Ara Alonso. Pero, ang nangyayari dito, palayo si Arnel kay Jenna at pumupunta kay Miss Sal. O si Salve Uson, Salvacion, or something. Ayun. To the point na inayos yung kotse, pinarado niya sa harap ng apartment ni Sal, which nagkataon is tapat lang ng vulcanizing shop. Yan, tawagin ko vulcanizing shop. At doon nagtikol siya. So, he touched himself at nakita to ni Sal sa bintana niya. So, in the middle daw magpasalamat, nagtalik si Sal saka si Arnel na hindi alam ni Jenna. Jenna, persistent however, gusto niya maging boyfriend itong si Arnel. Pumayag naman to si Arnel para lang tumigil si Jenna. And then, the next semester start, we find out na sa engineering economics, professor si Sal, ni na Jenna, saka ni Arnel. Of course, si Sal saka si Arnel, tinuloy nila yung relationship nila. They continue to bang in the bathroom na hindi alam ni Jenna. Until one time na inimbitahan ni Sal si Arnel sa kotse niya na makipagtalik at nakita ito ni Jenna. And Jenna did the Arthur meme, clench fist. Ayun. Kapalit ng pagtatalik ni Arnel sa ni Sal, ginawang scholar si Arnel. Siyempre, pasasalamat. Tapos, Yung grade siya matataas, kaya naging scholar tong si Arnel. Ayun. Nung nalaman ni Jenna yung katotohanan, binipe niya si Arnel para tigilan niya yung relationship niya kay Sal, kundi isisiwalat niya ito. Threatened na mawawala yung scholarship niya, his grades began to fail kasi itong si Sal hindi na kukuha yung edits ni Arnel. So, ayun. So, we get a background of Sal. Sal is like endorsing an annulment to her husband Marcos, who has been having an affair with someone not even half his age, Rose. So, kaya ginagawa ni Sal ito. So, nung nalaman ni Jenna na bumabagsak yung grado ni Arnel, she took it upon herself to be the proxy ni Arnel sa relationship niya kay Sal. So, siya naman nakikipagtalik kay Sal sa kapalit. Nalaman naman to ni Arnel, nagalit at binunggo niya, nauntog yung ulo ni Sal sa pader, nagdugo, and I think we presume her dead in this scene. Tapos lumapit itong si Sal, nakita niya yung insidente, and yun, nahimik na lang sila until such time na it was all a setup by Arnel and Jenna to have Sal cut red-handed, and nahuli siya ng inspector. Jenna we find out is still alive, and the movie ends with a new hot customer. Tinatanong si Arnel, magaling daw ba siyang mga likot? Yep. So, a lot of positive things in this movie. One, the music. Very memorable. I think this is one of the more memorable na tunes na inano ng Viva Max after Suki. Suki has that second of all, Sheila Snow, Arnel, and Ara Alonso, when they have their mature sessions together, it was very awesome. Parang todo bigay eh. There's even nipple sucking here. And scissoring. Scissor me daddy ass. Kaya yun. Ayan, yeah, this is a very fine film. But is it Smash? No. Is it the newest tier? Oh my god. I don't think so. So, dahil nga sa link eh, di ko siya maano. So, I'm just going to give Kalikot a very respectable. Hintayin natin mag-load yung tier list ha. So, what are we all up to this time? So, this Friday is Mapanukso, and then we are going to stop with our Viva Max content for next week kasi magsa-Santa Cena na ako. So, Santa Cena is an event by the Iglesia ni Cristo. So, kailangan ko muna magbanal-banalan. Okay, so Kalikot, I'm going to give Kalikot in the... Yeah, I'm gonna give it Will Bang okay tier. Very nice, very fun movie. Yeah, Mapanukso starring Atasca. Ano yun? Starring Atasca, Tiffany Gray, and Sean de Guzman. This coming Friday. This is your boy God Gamer Harriet telling you goodbye and good night. Bang.